Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our tutorial on changing the blade of your Thermomix TM21. Today, we'll guide you through the process step by step. Before we begin, make sure you have the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged. Safety is paramount. Now, let's turn the appliance upside down to access the base. You will see 4 screws that secure the blade assembly. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Remember to keep them in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the blade assembly out of the base. Pay attention to the position of the seal. It is important to replace it in the same orientation. If you notice any buildup or debris, this is a good time to clean the area. Use your soft cloth to wipe away any residue thoroughly. Now, let's focus on the blade itself. If your blade is dull or damaged, it's time to replace it. If you don't have the necessary tools or are unsure about the process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can help you determine the best course of action for your appliance. Next, take your new blade and align it with the base. Ensure that it fits snugly into position. Once it's in place, you can begin reassembling. Place the seal back into its original position, then insert the blade assembly back into the Thermomix base. Now, it's time to secure the blade assembly with the screws we removed earlier. Tighten them carefully but don't over-tighten, as this could cause damage. If at any point you feel uncomfortable, don't hesitate to reach out for help. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, ensuring you don't have to worry about transportation. No calls, no travel required. After securing the screws, turn your Thermomix back upright. It's essential to clean the exterior and ensure everything is in order before plugging it back in. A clean appliance not only looks better but functions better too. Finally, plug in your Thermomix and do a quick test run to ensure everything is operating smoothly. If you encounter any issues, remember that we provide a quote before repair, allowing you to understand the costs up front. Congratulations! You have successfully changed the blade on your Thermomix TM21. Regular maintenance will extend the life of your appliance, so consider periodic checks. Thank you for following along. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.